Hi there, my name is Helene Farrar. I'm an artist and teaching artist in Maine, and I'm very excited to be teaching and demoing at the International Encaustics Conference this year. And what I'll be sharing with is how to use a really unique reusable mold making material called ImPRESSive Putty. It comes in this lovely little package. Now before I show you all the different examples I have, I wanted you to know that I will be demoing on Saturday afternoon, and the demo is called Casting with Encaustic. And the post-conference workshop is called Going Bold and Outwards. Now let's take a look at the examples I have here. This is ImPRESSive Putty. It gets heated up in the microwave for 30 seconds for a piece like this size, and it's very easy to make a mold with. So once it's heated up and you've kneaded it a little bit, it doesn't need much because I've been kneading it for a few minutes here, it's ready to make a mold with. So I've got this cute little iron bird piece, and I just thought it would be good to just show you how to quickly and easily it is to make a mold of this. So I don't need all that. And that's what's great about this material is you can take a piece of it, just the amount you need, and knead it, make sure all the seams are out of it, and just as easily press it onto or press in your bird shape right into that. So we'll let that set up while I show you the other examples. And what I have here are a variety of things. One is, this is a mold I made this morning of this starfish. It's just a kind of a cheap object that was made. And I made a mold of it. And I made a cast of it in encaustic. And this is the encaustic being released from the mold. What's nice about ImPRESSive Putty is that it is stretchy. So you can move things out, and here is the mold and the casted material and the object we made the mold of, right there. This was a little cardboard boat I made with some hot glue, very simply, and I made the mold with ImPRESSive Putty and casted it with two different ways here. One was I was experimenting with getting the encaustic really, really thin, and what I love about it is the flexibility and the delicacy of it. And this other one I casted with, I made a couple extra layers of encaustic medium. The other things I have here are some objects that are 3D printed, and I thought that would be another great example to show you of how to make a mold of it. So I'm going to break off the putty, and you can see the putty retains the heat, and it's kneadable for quite a long time. So I've got the putty ready, and I'm going to push it onto this little 3D printed object. I'm going to check to make sure I've gone all the way around. And I'm going to set it aside. You can also do two-part molds with ImPRESSive Putty. Now, this is a great medium. It's reusable. So when I'm done with these projects, I can just heat it back in the microwave and then start something else. Let's see how that bird came out. There it is. So now we could cast that with encaustic, or how quickly we can just remove this. We know that was under a minute. So I hope you'll consider joining me in my demo on Saturday afternoon at the International Encaustics Conference. We're all so excited about that. Or come and join me with a 2-day class to learn how you could go bold and outwards with encaustic medium using this wonderful ImPRESSive Putty. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to meet you.